Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the short-run equilibrium. Already we have started in previous video, and supernormal profits or abnormal profits we are discussed also. Now we are going to discuss about the losses. We'll be having chance to getting by the monopoly in short period only, but not in long period. Then how to we are find out whether they are getting losses or not. So for first we are showing the what about first we are completed, then now we are going to discuss about the losses. Then how to we are finding these losses. Based on conditions, for first we are analyzing what about the equilibrium position, that is MC equal to MR. MC curve should cut MR curve, cuts MR curve from below, and at the same time third condition is also we are analyzing when the firm will be getting losses, that is P greater than or equal to ABC. Then now we are going to explaining through using of diagram how they are getting losses in short period, how to we can find out whether the firm will be getting losses or profits or supernormal profits in short period. For analyzing purpose, already we know that what about the revenue curves. AR curve is also called demand curve, is also called price curve, and MR curve. Then for analyzing of the profits or losses, we are using one cost curve, that is here we are taking average cost plus as well as marginal cost curve. So average cost curve is also called ATC, and second one is marginal cost curve, MC. And now we are find out what about the equilibrium position. MC curve cuts MR curve at point here only. So this is the equilibrium position. And for analyzing of the cost of production purpose, same equilibrium line will be touch the cost of the, means what about the revenue, what about the cost, we are analyzing through seeing of this diagram only. If equilibrium line will be touch the revenue curve, then it is the price of the commodity, and it will be touch the cost curve, that is the cost of production of a output, that is already we are shown here. So this is what about how to draw the diagram based on this situation. So now we are going to discuss about the what about the profit or losses. Y axis we are representing quantity, OY axis representing price of the commodity, and MC curve cuts MR curve at point E, then it is the equilibrium position. Then equilibrium output is OQ level, price of the commodity is in this level. How much price of the commodity they are fixed means it will be equilibrium line will be touch the AR curve, then it is the revenue and as well as price of the commodity. Then same equilibrium line will be touch the cost curve, average cost curve, that is the cost of production of a output. So this is we are shown here. Then based on this clearly we are saying whether the firm will be getting profit or loss, will be getting loss only. Main reason is here compared to price of the commodity, cost of production is more. Then how much they are getting loss will be getting by the producer. Through seeing of this diagram also we can show, and through showing of one more diagram also we can show the what about the equilibrium, what about the losses will be getting by the producer in short run. That is we are shown third condition is P greater than or equal to ABC. So that is also we are using here AR curve, and this is we are shown the AC curve. Just now we are shown same, and one more diagram also we are taking, that one more curve is nothing but one more means ABC curve we are showing here, ABC for example. Then what about the MC? Then this is the equilibrium position, equilibrium quantity, equilibrium position, cost, and this is the average cost, this is the what about the revenue. So in this situation average cost, price is equal to average cost, then also producer will be getting loss. Main reason is here producer they are receiving income or revenue is equal to variable cost only, but what about the fixed cost? Fixed cost is loss only. So that's why if we are showing the diagram like this, or if we are taking ABC differently and AC differently, then also will be having chance to showing up losses. So don't confuse whether they are giving like this or like this. Then also we are saying as a if the firm will be getting profits or losses through analyzing of this is only we are explaining. So for explaining purpose only now we are shown the second diagram, otherwise no need. So now we are going to analyzing what about the losses per unit of output. So two ways we are showing now also. Losses, how to we are getting analyzes this one, TR minus TC, AR minus ATC. Two ways we can show the what about the loss. Total revenue is OQ for producing of the OQ level of output. They are spent the cost is OCBQ level. OCBQ level and total revenue is OPAQ level. OPAQ level. So this is what about the total revenue and total cost. Then here compared to revenue, cost of production is more. The remaining part we are showing shaded area, but it will be representing losses only, because compared to price of the commodity, they are receiving 10 rupees per unit of for selling of 1 unit of output, but they are spending 12 rupees. Means 2 rupees is the loss only. That is we are saying as a this much of loss will be getting by producer, that is CBAP level. Loss will be getting by the producer, that is we are shown in shaded area. Total losses of producer. Then how much loss will be getting by the producer through producing of 1 unit of output. So for producing of 1 unit of output, they are getting revenue is OP level or AQ level. OP level or AQ level. And how much they are spending for producing of 1 unit of output, OC level or BQ level. OC or BQ level. So compared to average total cost, average revenue or price of the commodity is less. So producer, remaining part they are getting loss. This loss is CP level or BA level. CP level or BA level of loss will be getting by the producer. That is also we are shown here. Loss per unit of output. Per unit of output will be getting by the producer. So here we are use the third condition, because main reason is will be having chance to getting of losses in short run. So how to we are analyzing losses means if we are taking the average variable cost curve, then also easily we can find out. Or otherwise if they are not given any average variable cost but they are given only AC and MC curves, and then we are analyzing what about the equilibrium output and price of the commodity, and what about the revenue, what about the cost. These are all we can analyze. Then we are finding what about that will be getting loss or profit. If they are getting loss, how much percentage of loss they are getting. Through seeing of this diagram only we are explained through using of formulas, either through using of total revenue minus total cost, or otherwise average revenue minus average total cost. This is what about the short run equilibrium of the firm. Equilibrium of the firm under monopoly market in short period will be having chance to getting of two types of ways, that is supernormal profits or losses, or normal profits also will be having chance. In the normal profits mainly we are showing AR equal to ATC, then the firm will be getting normal profits. But in long run firm will be getting supernormal profits only, because producer producing only single commodity, not having any close substitutes for their product. So for getting of the supernormal profits, he is using different techniques on, but not having any chance to entry of rival firms into the market. So this is what about the short run equilibrium of the firm completed also. So students, or if anybody, if you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends and give likes also. Thank you.